Even if the seat is still installed in the C-Class, you can take off the door side trim panel. Take it off backwards diagonally. With the removed seat, we continue with the second door side trim panel. Depending on the equipment, you first unplug the connector underneath. Take off the trim by pushing in and unhooking the catch hook. Then unclip an additional connector. And this is how you take off the basic carrier. It's fastened with 3 rivets. Drill these out. If any rivet residue remains in the frame, remove it carefully. If you want to replace the seat cover, you can now start your work. With other repairs, such as the renewal of the seat adjuster, there are further trim pieces to remove on the other side. The basic carrier under the first trim piece is fastened with 2 rivets. Drill these out and remove any residue. Also unhook the catch and run the trim gently along the buckle. If the seat has a seat cushion depth adjustment, remove the trim by unclipping it at the top and remove it downwards. This is how to install the trim parts again. The trim on the seat cushion depth adjustment has retaining lugs on the underside. Run the left basic carrier along the buckle. Then rivet it. The trim also has several locking points. Rivet the basic carrier on the other side too. Clip the electrical connector back on and attach the trim panel. Please note the order of the locking points. First, at the top from left to right, and then at the bottom from left to right. Connect one more plug connector and on we go in the car with the last trim part. Done.